This is Irene again. I haven't actually launched the course, even though it's going to be starting May 14th. And I really kind of created a kind of four introductory activities that these are students are going to be expected to be able to participate in discussion. They are going to be participating in conferences because this is a class in which they're going to determine what and who they're going to interview um, in this class. And then there's going to be a sample quiz because there will be some quizzes. And I created a really low stakes assignment as well. So that's really kind of wanted to take you through that. It's hard to explain in writing what I was going to be doing, but if you're looking at the assignment, and I'm not doing this in student view because I'm not entirely certain it would necessarily work. Um, but they have a practice assignment. In this assignment, they will view a video. It's very short and it's about qualitative research methods, which is what this class is about. And then they're going to be asked a series of questions they need to answer, and they will save these as a Word file or a PDF file. And so they, after watching the video, they'll answer these four questions: what is an in-depth interview? In what circumstances should we consider using an in-depth interview? How many in-depth interviews need to be conducted for a research project? And what are the two broad types of in-depth interviews? So that would be one of them. Going back to the assignments, there is going to be a quiz. That would also be in Lockdown browser so that they can learn how to use that. And so normally I show one question at a time is how I choose to do that. And so then they are going to be answering at what's the time frame of the May intersession, because it's kind of dangerous if people think they have more time than they need. Then for question 2, they are going to be asked about what the textbook that they have is. They are going to be asked also when the first assignment is due, and they are going to be asked, and I want them to realize it's really kind of the next day classes start, and then also that this class really is going to talk about qualitative or in-depth interviewing. And then I'm going to be using Blue Button still for this particular session, mostly because we have a pretty short amount of time, and I don't want students to get too stressed out using Zoom. I don't think it'll be an issue, but just in case. And then the introductory discussion board is in fact going to be what I had done for the introductory discussion board assignment for this particular class. And so here I have the video description that you've all viewed before, and then I have some information on TuneDo, and also because it's very easy to download an image from TuneDo after you've done creating it, but it's not necessarily intuitive to upload it into Canvas when you're a student. I have an explanation on how to do that should they decide to use the TuneDo. So in Canvas, they click on Account, which is over here. They click on Files. They click on Unfiled, and then they can upload the image from the hard drive, and now they're ready to place it into their discussion board by just clicking on that insert picture icon that's going to be in their toolbar. And so those are the 4 things I wanted them to be able to do: post on the discussion board, be able to locate where conferences are, do a very low stakes quiz that they can take over and over and over again if they want, and then learn how to submit an assignment.